Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Adobe Acrobat PDF editor clone to actually edit your PDF files directly in browser. This is the full interface of the application. I have also deployed this application on my website freemediatools.com/PDF editor. So check the description link. So you will land on this demo link. So what this application allows you to do, you simply select whatever PDF file. After selecting PDF file, the pages will load. You can actually zoom in, zoom out. So if you need the source code of this, I've given the link. You can directly purchase it. This is a full directory structure. It's using these two PDF-LIB and PDF-JS dist, and it's also using the latest version of React. And also we are running this application locally as well. So it's fully customizable. You can, once you purchase it, you will get the source code to actually edit the file application as well. Then we have all the basic controls here to annotate anything. You basically choose the color and you can simply annotate, highlight anything. Once you make the change, click on save. You also have the ability to actually add text. Here you specify the font size and you can change the color here. And using your mouse, you can place it accordingly wherever. And then click on save. Then you move to the next page. You also have the ability to add images. So here again you provide the width and the height. And using the mouse you can place this image accordingly. Click on save. And after you make the change, you click the download button to actually download the output file. So you can just see text, images, highlighting, everything is saved. Before purchasing it, you can check out the live demo. And if you're interested in this project, the link is given in the description. It has all the functionalities of Adobe Acrobat. So the PDF editor works directly in browser. It doesn't need any backend processing. You basically select the tool. This is the annotation tool. If you want to hide anything, you can even do that very easily. You select the stroke size. You can just see how easy it is. You navigate to the next page, or like, one thing is that whenever you make the change, you click the save button every time to save the work, and then navigate to the next page, make the change, and then again click save button. And if you want to undo the operation, you click the undo button as well. And if you want to clear out everything, you have the clear button as well. So if you're interested in this, guys, if you want to draw the line, you can even use the line operator. This is a zoom out, zoom in operator. So it's in React.js project. So if you're interested, guys, the link is given in the description.